Hi investors, the Bonfire team has just dropped some insane news, and in this video we are gonna go through everything. But first, let me bring you up to speed on the Bonfire project. And the best way to do that is to look at the Bonfire live white paper. So Bonfire is a frictionless yield generating contract that allows the users to seek shelter amidst the uncertainty of the market. Now this sounds very interesting, but it's still a bit vague, so let's break it down for you. This is probably the most important bit. The token contract employs a static reward system. 10% of every transaction is split in two parts. One part is distributed to the holders, and that's 5% basically, while the other 5% is used to fuel the liquidity pool on PancakeSwap. And so that is the first aspect that you had to know. But there is one thing that is their main goal, and that's what I'm gonna tell you right now. And by the way, if you want to know the latest news on Bonfire, this is the channel, because I make video updates on this token. I'm a holder myself, and so that you're always up to date on it. Their main goal for Q2 is the Firestarter Launchpad. More in detail, Firestarter will be a groundbreaking project in the DeFi space. It is in essence a fully fledged IDO pre-sale platform. And what the heck is an IDO? Well, let's have a quick look at it right now. IDO means Initial DEX Offering. It's a fundraising model reflected as tectonic shift in crowd sale trends to offer better liquidity for crypto assets and faster, more open, fair trading. And so the main goal of Bonfire is to capitalize on this mania for crypto coins that is basically invading the whole planet right now. And Firestarter Launchpad will be built to make it easy for top tier projects to launch on the Binance Smart Chain. And so that is the main goal, to own this platform and be able to make money out of it. And for the time being, the Firestarter Launchpad is actually quite behind. Only 5% of it has been completed, but hey, this is the main project for them, and they will complete it in Q2 2021. And now we're gonna look at the first bit of news that is so important, guys, both if you're a holder and also if you're thinking to buy the coin right now. The next MA has been announced and is gonna be on May the 12th. There is gonna be a lot of updates on the legal entity of this company, because obviously this is a project and also a company at the same time. Also, we're gonna have an update on the Whitebit listing, on the new website, the social network, etc, etc. And by the way, normally these MAs are 1-2 hours long, so if you don't want to see through it, don't worry, I'm gonna make a summary after it so that you are up to date on the latest news. But this is not even the most important bit of news that we are gonna discuss today. The next one, guys, it's so big and it's gonna send the price to the roof. We are proud to announce that Bonfire will be listed on Whitebit, and we also know the date. Look at that. This video basically tells us everything. May the 12th. And so May the 12th is gonna be a massive day for us, because a new listing is not a small thing, guys. More liquidity, more investors coming into the project. This is really gonna send the price to the moon. And guys, that's why you need to hold this coin. And guys, for the most shrewd of you, I know that some people have started saying that Bonfire is absolutely packed with whales, but I want to bust this myth, because you can see how many holders there are and the amount of coins that they have in their portfolio. And so let's have a look at it right now for your peace of mind. And this is BSC Scan, where you can actually know everything about Bonfire and the holders and how much the supply and where the supply is and so on. Let's go down, and you basically have to look at the holders section here on the website, and you can see that the biggest holder is actually 38% tokens that have burned, and it's 38% at the moment. It's quite a lot if you think about that. Then we have this whale. Yes, we have one whale that has got 6% of the market. And jumping on the audit that Bonfire has passed, there is also a comment on this wallet. So 6% of maximum supply was found in the biggest non-banned wallet. After reaching out to the team, obviously the Bonfire team, we were told that this is not a team wallet and it's basically an early investor of the project. And then after that, we have lots and lots of holders with 1%, 0.6%, 0.5%, and so on. All the others own even less than 0.5% of the total supply, guys. And so there is basically one whale that can actually change not much, to be honest. and it's not even the whale that actually caused the dump. If you've been in Bonfire for more than 4 days, you know that a whale dumped last week and that caused the price to go down. But right after that, the price actually went straight back up. And I can prove you that that whale with 6% of the total supply, that it's not even the one that caused the crash. And so this is the address of that whale. So if you scroll down and we look at the analytics of the whale, we can see the token balance, which is basically what happened in terms of holding. So we see that the amount of coins has been actually gradually going down, but not too much. We don't see any crazy spike going downward, meaning that they sold and then bought back. There is nothing like that. The amount is actually quite stable. It's not changing too much. That person is probably selling, but very slowly. And so this is it for the whales. But if you're still scared, well, I also found a tool that you can check. It's up to you guys, but it basically shows you if a whale is dumping or not. I'm gonna leave this in the description, but basically, as you can see, these are all the sell and buy orders that have gone through for Bonfire. As you can see, we are under quite a lot of sell pressure at the moment. There is quite a bit of buy as well. But basically, all you can see here is a very quick summary of what is described on BSC scan, basically. So like I said, you will find the link to this tool in the description below so that you can check it for yourself. But hey, is it a good time to buy this token or not? Let's have a quick look at the chart. And so this is Bonfire on CoinMarketCap. Now, today we are 19% up, which is not bad at all, guys. This token is actually doing not too bad. And if you look at, for example, from Sunday till today, okay, we peaked out on Monday, basically today. And then the price has gone down and now we reached a new bottom. As you can see, the bottom has got quite strong. You could potentially trade it. It's become quite strong. It's all on the same spot as well. You could draw a line here. It's around 0.00, okay, is it? 6. And to be honest, as we are approaching Wednesday, I would expect a break up. So I would expect the price to go up and maybe even closer on Wednesday itself. That's when the price might actually take off. And so this coin might really go through the roof. And if you want to know the latest news on this coin, guys, this is the channel because I make video updates every time any news on it comes out so that you're always up to date, and also because I'm an investor, guys, let's be honest. And if you want to know more news on Bonfire, watch this video. The video on the screen right now are insane news on Bonfire. So click on the video.